Enumerate all the things. We will be focusing on SSH enumeration. That is something which is required when we do penetration testing. There is no SSH enumeration required for SSH as well. We can validate our credential, username, passwords, and whatever we have with the help of SSH service, right? So we will be strongly focused on SSH enumeration, but with a little different approach. So in order to validate our credential, I will be again using Hydra, however, with a different way. The different way will be nothing but a different argument. -c will be an argument that requires a colon separated username and password. So if you have something dumped combo list, also known as the for the colon separated username and password, you can specify it with -c. So let's example, you got a username or credential file from a dark web or somewhere. You can validate that combo list directly with your Hydra. So let's take that in action. The argument is pretty much simple. Hydra -C SSH whatever the credential list you have. So let me give you a quick overview of this file. So get SSH better default password list, and here we go. We have common username and common passwords for that, and this is something we're going to use. So let's see. Hydra -C. Our file name, the file name contains colon separated password. SSH will be our service, right, or protocol, I would say, and target Linux is nothing but our target server. Attacking SSH as a dictionary based attack will gonna take significant time. So if you have a huge word list, this may take days. So if you have a little less, then you can approach with that if you are testing on a lab environment or similar, because it's very rare that you'll find your credential working against the SSH. But as we are focusing on enumerating or validating our credential against SSH, Hydra is again the fastest one. So here we go. We found a credential with the username root and a password bug. Let's connect to that with the SSH service. So SSH root @ target The server which I'm using, which is bbox, has a pretty much older version, and with the current version of SSH, it does not support directly. So alternate way, if we can add that DSS support in our SSH client. So let's see in action. Here we go. Bug as a password, and we did connect it. So SSH can be utilized against validation or credential, also username. So if you just search exploit SSH, or let's say open SSH for a better specific one, you'll find some enumeration scripts, right? So those username enumeration scripts might also work, but it's really very rare. I would strongly recommend to give it a try once if you are targeting any specific victim or victim SSH service. So that's it. That's all enumeration against our SSH service. See you in the next, and please subscribe. Hope you enjoy this learning modules. And if you do, it would be really helpful for me if you can, of course, comment, right? Because when you comment, it helps me to understand my own mistakes, and I can even improvise myself. If you find something that can be improved, comment below. That's it. That's all. See you in the next.